Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 4 delicious juices that can actually help you feel better during your period. I know when cramps and fatigue hit, juice isn't the first thing on your mind. But what if it could help with bloating, energy, and cramps? We've researched, taste-tested, and found 4 game-changing juices that are both healthy and seriously tasty. Ready to turn that monthly struggle into something a little more manageable? We'll break down why each juice works and how it can help you. Let's make your period a little easier and a lot more delicious. Let's get started. First up, the powerhouse, beetroot juice. This vibrant crimson elixir is more than just a pretty color. It's a nutritional champion ready to tackle period fatigue head-on. We're diving deep into the world of beets, exploring why this often overlooked root vegetable deserves a prime spot in your menstrual cycle survival kit. Get ready to unlock the secrets of beetroot juice and discover how it can transform your energy levels and overall well-being during your period. I know beets have a reputation for tasting like dirt, and let's be honest, that earthy flavor can be a bit off-putting for some. But hear me out. Before you write off beetroot juice completely, consider the incredible benefits it offers, especially when your body is craving extra support. We're not saying it tastes like candy, but with the right additions, it can be surprisingly palatable and incredibly rewarding. During your period, your body loses iron, a crucial mineral that plays a vital role in energy production and overall health. The monthly blood loss can deplete your iron stores, leaving you feeling drained and sluggish. This is where beetroot juice steps in as a natural and effective solution to replenish those lost nutrients, which can leave you feeling exhausted. That overwhelming fatigue can impact your daily life, making it difficult to focus, stay productive, and enjoy your favorite activities. It's a common struggle during menstruation, but it doesn't have to be your reality. Beetroot juice offers a natural way to combat that draining feeling and reclaim your energy. Beetroot juice is loaded with iron, acting as a natural iron supplement that's easily absorbed by your body. Unlike some iron pills that can cause digestive discomfort, beetroot juice is gentle on your stomach and provides a readily available source of this essential mineral. It's a delicious and effective way to boost your iron levels and combat fatigue, giving your body the boost it needs to fight fatigue. By replenishing your iron stores, beetroot juice helps your body produce more red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your system. This increased oxygen flow translates to more energy, improved focus, and a renewed sense of vitality. Think of it as plugging your phone in at 1%. Instant energy. That's the kind of quick and effective boost beetroot juice can provide when you're feeling depleted. It's a natural way to recharge your batteries and get back to feeling like yourself again. Instead of another cup of coffee, which can lead to jitters and a subsequent crash, consider a more sustainable and nourishing option. While coffee provides a temporary jolt, beetroot juice offers a sustained release of energy without the unwanted side effects. Try this vibrant natural energy drink. It's a healthier alternative that not only boosts your energy, but also provides a wealth of other essential nutrients. It's a win-win for your body and your taste buds. Mix beetroot with apple or orange for a sweet, refreshing twist. These additions not only enhance the flavor, but also provide extra vitamins and antioxidants, further boosting the health benefits of your beetroot juice. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. Suddenly, beets go from ugh to wow, this is actually good. It's all about finding the right balance of flavors to make beetroot juice a delicious and enjoyable part of your routine. You might be surprised at how much you actually like it. You're not just drinking juice, you're investing in your well-being and taking a proactive step towards managing period fatigue. It's a simple yet powerful way to nourish your body from the inside out. You're fighting fatigue and helping your body recover. Beetroot juice provides the essential nutrients your body needs to bounce back from the demands of menstruation, allowing you to feel more energized and resilient. Beetroot juice also contains nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. This compound plays a crucial role in vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which improve blood flow and can help reduce cramps. By increasing blood flow to the uterus, beetroot juice can help relax the muscles and alleviate the pain associated with menstrual cramps. So you get more energy and less pain. A win-win. It's a natural and effective way to address 2 of the most common and debilitating symptoms of menstruation. The color alone is enough to make you feel healthier. That deep, rich red hue is a visual reminder of the powerful nutrients packed within each glass. It's a small act of self-care that can make a big difference. Taking the time to nourish your body with beetroot juice is a way of showing yourself love and prioritizing your well-being during a time when you need it most. Grab a juicer, Toss in some beets and apple, and see for yourself. Experiment with different ratios and additions to create a beetroot juice blend that you truly enjoy. You might even convince your friends to join the Beet Juice Club. Sharing the benefits of beetroot juice with your friends is a great way to support each other's health and well-being. To recap, iron for energy, providing a natural and sustained boost to combat fatigue. Nitrates for blood flow, promoting healthy circulation and potentially reducing menstrual cramps. And a surprisingly tasty drink. With the right additions, beetroot juice can be a delicious and refreshing way to nourish your body. Beetroot juice is a must-try for period fatigue. It's a natural and effective way to combat the draining effects of menstruation and reclaim your energy. Give it a shot, you've got nothing to lose but that sluggish feeling. Embrace the power of beetroot juice and experience the difference it can make in your energy levels and overall well-being. Go for the beets, you won't regret it. It's a simple and effective way to support your body during your period and beyond. It's just fantastic. Try it and let us know how you feel. We're confident that you'll be pleasantly surprised by the positive impact beetroot juice can have on your energy levels and overall well-being. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. The combination of iron, nitrates, and other essential nutrients in beetroot juice can work wonders for your body. It's a simple, powerful way to support your body. Don't knock it till you try it. Give beetroot juice a chance to prove its worth, and you might just find your new go-to remedy for period fatigue. Beetroot juice, the unbeatable energizer. Make it your new go-to. Embrace the power of this vibrant and nutritious drink to conquer period fatigue and reclaim your vitality. Your body will thank you. Ready for the next juice? We've got more amazing options to explore that can help you navigate your menstrual cycle with ease and grace. Let's keep going. On to the next one. Here we go. Get ready to discover another powerful juice that can help you thrive during your period. Next up, let's head to the tropics with pineapple juice. Pineapple isn't just delicious, it's packed with bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory enzyme. Bromelain helps relax muscles and reduce cramps, making pineapple juice a tasty way to fight period pain. It also tackles bloating, helping your body shed excess water and calm your digestive system. The sweet, tangy flavor is like a mini vacation in a glass. Fresh pineapple juice is easy to make, just blend and enjoy. It's a triple threat: fights cramps, reduces bloating, and boosts your mood with manganese. Imagine sipping this when cramps hit, relief and refreshment in one. Pineapple juice is nature's ibuprofen, but way tastier. Next time you see a pineapple, grab it for a bottle of tropical, cramp-busting goodness. You deserve to feel good, even during your period. Sometimes the simplest things make the biggest difference. A glass of pineapple juice is a small act of self-care with a big impact. It's a game changer. Try it and see how much better you feel. Don't underestimate the power of pineapple. It's the Michael Jordan of period-friendly juices. Ready for the next juice? Let's keep the good vibes going. On to juice number 3. Alright, let's move on to our third incredible juice recipe. This one is a real powerhouse, a dynamic duo that packs a punch when it comes to soothing discomfort and boosting your overall well-being. Get ready for the revitalizing, the one and only, ginger lemon juice. Ginger is legendary, a time-honored remedy, especially known for settling upset stomachs. It's been used for centuries to calm digestive issues, and it's incredibly effective at easing nausea, making it absolutely perfect for those queasy period days when your stomach feels like it's doing somersaults. The magic lies in its gingerols, powerful compounds that calm your stomach muscles, helping to alleviate that uncomfortable churning. And beyond just settling your stomach, gingerols also act as a natural anti-inflammatory, which is fantastic for helping with those pesky period cramps too. It's a double whammy of relief. Now let's talk about the lemon. It adds a bright, zesty flavor that awakens your senses. But it's not just about the taste. Lemon is also packed with vitamin C, a vital nutrient. Vitamin C is a fantastic immune system booster, helping your body fight off any unwanted invaders and keeping you feeling strong. And even better, vitamin C plays a crucial role in helping your body absorb iron, which is especially important during your period when iron levels can dip. So, when you combine these two powerhouses, ginger and lemon, they create a truly powerful and incredibly refreshing combo. It's a drink that's not only good for you, but also surprisingly easy and enjoyable to drink. To make it, simply juice fresh ginger and lemon. The fresher the ingredients, the better the flavor and the more potent the benefits. Then, add water to dilute the intensity and a touch of honey if you like it sweeter. A little sweetness can really enhance the overall experience. You can drink it warm, like a soothing tea, or you can chill it with ice for a refreshing cooler. Either way, it's a soothing pick-me-up that can provide comfort and relief whenever you need it most. Think of this juice as a reset button for your body, a way to hit pause on discomfort and start fresh. It effectively calms nausea, eases those bothersome cramps, and even helps to lift your mood when you're feeling a bit down. It's truly the ultimate utility player for your period, tackling multiple symptoms with one delicious drink. So if you wake up feeling crampy, nauseous, or just generally unwell, don't hesitate, whip up this simple blend. It takes just minutes to prepare and can make a world of difference. The gentle warmth of ginger, combined with the bright, invigorating zest of lemon, will have you feeling significantly better in no time at all. It's a quick and effective way to find relief. Consider it your zesty nausea ninja, sneaking in to quietly and effectively help you feel refreshed, revitalized, and ready to tackle the day ahead. It's perfect for those sluggish mornings when you need a little jump start, or for combating those afternoon slumps when your energy starts to fade. And the best part is, it's not just masking the symptoms, it's actively helping your body recover and rebalance itself, supporting your natural healing processes. Now don't be afraid of the slight spice from the ginger, embrace the zest. It's part of what makes this drink so invigorating and effective. Ginger and lemon are a classic team for a very good reason. They work synergistically to provide a wide range of benefits. So give this one a try. You might be surprised at how much it helps. Especially if nausea is a recurring problem for you, this juice could be a game changer. It has the potential to become your new go-to remedy, the one you reach for whenever you need a little extra support. It's simple, it's natural, and it's seriously effective. What more could you ask for? What's not to love about a drink that tastes good and makes you feel even better? Alright, are you ready to discover our final juice recipe in this series? Let's finish strong and unlock the secrets of our last incredible blend. Last but not least, we arrive at a true champion of hydration, a delicious and refreshing beverage that will become your new best friend during your period. Watermelon juice. This isn't just any juice, it's a powerhouse of goodness, specifically tailored to support you during your menstrual cycle. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it an incredibly efficient way to replenish fluids and combat dehydration. This high water content makes it a hydration superstar, absolutely crucial during your period when your body needs extra support. Staying properly hydrated is one of the simplest, yet most effective ways to manage period symptoms. Staying hydrated helps reduce cramps, which can be a major source of discomfort during your period. Dehydration can actually worsen cramps, so keeping your fluid levels up is key. It also combats fatigue, that heavy, dragging feeling that can make it hard to get through the day. And it helps prevent and alleviate headaches, another common period symptom often triggered by dehydration. The best part? Watermelon juice is so incredibly tasty, you'll hydrate without even thinking about it. It's a treat that's actually good for you. It's also packed with potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate fluid balance and fight bloat, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable. And let's not forget the L-citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow, which can ease those pesky cramps by relaxing your muscles. Plus, its natural sweetness beautifully satisfies those sugar cravings that often pop up during your period, offering a healthy and guilt-free alternative to processed sweets. On a hot, uncomfortable day, when period symptoms feel even more intense, a cold glass of watermelon juice is pure refreshment, a welcome oasis of coolness and relief. Making it is wonderfully simple. Just blend watermelon chunks, no water needed, as the watermelon provides all the liquid you'll need for a perfectly smooth and hydrating juice. The bright pink color alone will lift your mood, adding a touch of joy and vibrancy to your day. It's like sunshine in a glass. It's perfect any time of day. Enjoy it in the morning, as a refreshing start to your day, as an afternoon pick-me-up to beat that midday slump, or even as a light dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth without any guilt. Watermelon juice is a hydration hero, a bloat buster, helping you feel more comfortable in your own skin, a cramp calmer gently soothing those painful muscle contractions, and a mood lifter all in one delicious pink drink. Taking care of yourself during your period doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as easy as blending up a fruit you love and enjoying its natural goodness. Next time you see a watermelon at the grocery store or farmer's market, grab it as your secret weapon for period relief, a natural and delicious way to ease your symptoms. You deserve simple, delicious self-care that nourishes your body and soul. Watermelon juice is just the best way to show yourself some love during your period. Try it and see how much better you feel, both physically and emotionally. It's the all-star of period-friendly drinks, a true game-changer when it comes to managing your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this one. Give your body the hydration and nutrients it craves. Hydrate, refresh, and feel good. That's what self-care is all about. Simple, effective ways to nurture your well-being. Ready to wrap up this chapter on period-friendly drinks? Let's recap all the amazing benefits of these beverages. Here's the final word on staying hydrated and happy during your period. That's it. 4 delicious, powerful juices to help you feel your best during your period. We covered the energizing beetroot, tropical pineapple, zesty ginger lemon, and hydrating watermelon. Try one, try them all, and see which works best for you. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend. Let us know your favorite period-friendly drinks in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember, self-care can be delicious. See you next time.